Hello everyone, how are you? I hope are you doing well. Welcome back to another video. In this video I discuss the trading view indicator, how to apply the trading view indicator on trading view chart. Simply I am open the BTC chart on trading view. Simply go to the script. For example, my scripts are here. Money side free and paid indicators are available, so I am paid indicator. Select now and see my script are most scripts are available. This is a paid indicator and free indicator are available. This is a free indicators. Okay, this is a free indicator. Okay, go to paid indicator. This now and copy and go to the trading view chart. Close now and go to the trading view chart and simply this option Pine Editor. Open now Pine Editor and paste now your script and add to chart. Simply add to chart and see apply on your chart. See buying and sell signal showing on your chart. These indicators are perfect profitable indicator. In this indicator video or mostly a previous video discussing this indicator. Okay, simply I am short video, make the short video because my followers are asked me, sir, please kindly upload the video on how to apply the trading view indicator on the chart. Okay, see, and buying and sell signal showing in your screen, and this is the indicator is perfect. Buying and sell signal is most beautiful signals and profitable signals. Okay, this is a paid indicator. This price is very high. Okay, so good luck. I have already explained in detail of this indicator in the previous video. Okay, dear, good luck.